Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir, a mathematics teacher at Lux School of Science. Today we will start with exercise 7 of chapter number 7, permutation and combination. Okay, so now let's see the first question. How many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? Okay, so Daughter. Daughter. How many consonants? One, two, three, four, five. How many vowels? One, two, and three. Is there any consonant or vowel repeated? No. Now you have to form the words with taking three consonants. So means to select three consonant and two vowels. Okay. So two vowels. So now, how many ways you can do this? 5C3 into 3C2. Now this is selection of consonant and vowel. Okay, so now 5C3, that is 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. 3C2, we will use shortcut 3C2, 3 minus 2, 1. So here 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, and what is 2 factorial? 2. And 3C1, 3. So 3 factorial, 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So 5 2s are 10, 10 into 3, 30 ways in selecting two vowels and three consonant. So see, this is the only way to select two vowels and three consonants from all the letters of word daughters. Now we are having 3 plus 2, that is 5 alphabets. We have selected 5 alphabets. Now how many words you can form? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any letter repeated? No. So it will be 5 factorial, that is equal to 120. Right? So 30 ways of selection, 120 ways of formation of alphabet. So total will be equal to 30 into 120, that is 3600 words. Okay, so we can form 3600 words using three consonants and two vowels from the word daughter. Okay, remember here it's not only arrangement but also selection. So first you have to find out in how many ways you can select how many ways you can select three consonants and two vowels, and then after that how many words you can form, right? So this is 3600 words. Just note down question number 1. The next question number 2. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of word equation at a time so that vowels and consonants occur together? Okay, so first let's write down Equation. Equation. So how many consonant? One, two, and three. How many vowels? One, two, three, four, and five. So three consonant and five vowels. Now see, the question says that, or the question asks that you have to form the words in which all the vowels are together and all the consonants are together. Right? So first, one place for vowels and one place for consonants. Clear? Okay. So now at present, think that we only have to put two elements. In one, all the vowels. In another, all the consonants. Right? So whatever we will place all the vowels at one place and all the consonants at one place. Clear? So now for vowels and consonants, two places. So how many ways? Two. Here either vowels or consonant. Here the remaining two ways, right? So in two ways, first vowels and consonant. Now in how many ways vowels are arranging? So for vowels that is E, U, A, I, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or else 5 factorial equal to 120 ways. So if I'm placing vowels here, then they can rearrange in 120 ways. Clear? Or if it's here, then also they can rearrange in 120 ways. Now for consonants, that is Q, T, N. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2, 1 because no one is repeating. 3 factorial. This is equal to 6 ways. Okay, so vowels can arrange in 120 ways, consonant can arrange in 6 ways, and when both are joined, either at one place all the consonant or at one place all the vowels in 2 ways, like this way vowel consonant or consonant vowel. So that is the 2 way. So the total ways will be equal to 2 into 120, that is equal to 240, into 6, that will be equal to 6, 1440 ways. Okay, so this is your answer. You can you can form 1440 words, not ways. I will write it down, words. 1440 words. You can form 1440 words from word equation such that all the vowels and consonants are together. Clear? So just note down question number 2. Next, question number 3. A committee of 7 has to be formed, 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways? Okay, it's formed from. In how many ways it can be done if it consists of exactly 3 girls, at least 3 girls, and at most 3 girls? Okay, so now say you have to form a committee of 7 members. There are total 9 boys and 4 girls, right? To select 7. Okay, so now you have to select 7. Now see, first is exactly 3 girls, means 3 girls. So how many are remaining? 4 are remaining. So 4 must be boys. Okay, so just in how many ways? 9C4 into 4C3. Clear? So it will be equal to 9 factorial upon 4 factorial. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5 factorial into 4C3, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 minus 3, 2 factorial. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. What is 4 factorial? 24. And 5 factorial as it is. Multiply by 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial into 2 factorial is 2. Okay. So see here. Sorry, my mistake. 4 minus 3 to be 1. So now 5 factorial, it will get cancelled. So 9 into 8 into 6 into 7 divided by 24, and here 3 factorial will get cancelled. So let me calculate it. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 4 divided by 24, and the answer is 504 ways. So you can select it in 504 ways from 9 boys and 4 girls to select 7 members such that exactly 3 are girls. Okay, so note down the first part of question number 3. The second part, at least 3 girls. Now remember, at least 3 means minimum 3. It can be higher than that, right? So if it is at least 3 girls, I can select either 3 girls or more than that 4 or more than that 5, but I am having only 4 girls. So either 3 girls or 4 girls. So if I am selecting 3 girls, how many boys? 4 boys. If I am selecting 4 girls, how many boys? 3 boys. Right? So see, this will be equal to 9C4 multiplied by 4C3, or 9C3 multiplied by 4C4. Clear? So let me calculate. See, 4C3, it will be equal to 4. 4C4, it will be equal to 1. So let me calculate 9C4. 9 factorial upon 4 factorial, 9 minus 4, 5 factorial. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 4 factorial, 24 into 5 factorial. Okay, so let me calculate this. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 24. So this is equal to 126. Okay, now second 9C3, that is 9 factorial upon 3 factorial. 9 minus 3, that is 6 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 3 factorial is 6, 6 factorial. So again, let me calculate this. 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 6. It will be 84. Okay, so how many ways? This is the rough solution. You can directly do like this way. You can calculate this 9C4, 9C3 in rough and directly put down the values. So I'm solving it here. So 9C4, that is 126 into 4C3, that is 4C1. So it will go to 4 plus 9C3, that is 84, and 4C4, that is 1. So 126 into 4 is 504 plus 84 into 1, 84. So 504 plus 84, that will be equal to 588. ways. So there are 588 ways in which you can select committee of 7 members from 9 boys and 4 girls, such that there are at least 3 girls. Okay, so just note down the second part of question number 3. The next, the third part of question number 3, at most 3 girls. Now, at most 3 girls means 3 or less than that. Remember, at least means that number or more than that. At most means that number or less than that. So I can select either 3 girls, less than that 2, less than that 1, or 0. Now, if I select 3 girls, I have to select total 7. So, how many boys? 4 boys. 2 girls, 5 boys. 1 girl, 6 boys. 0 girl, all the 7. Right? So, in how many ways? From 9 4, that is 9C4 into 4C3. Plus, if I'm not selecting this, the other way, that is 9C5 into 4C2, 9C6 into 4C1, or 9C7 into 4C0. Clear? So you just calculate it by yourself and solve this sum. Okay, this is the method how to solve it. Now only thing remaining is calculation that I am leaving you for yourself. So just note down this and calculate it by yourself. The next, question number 4. Question number 4 says, if the different permutation of all the letters of word examination. Okay. Examination are listed as in dictionary, means in dictionary order. How many words are there before the first word starting with E? Means say, if you see in dictionary order, first all the letters will be from A, then from B, then from C, and so on. But now we cannot take B because B is not there. We have to take all the alphabets of the letters of examination only. So first, let's calculate how many alphabets are there, how many letters are there. 11 letters. Okay. Now in that, how many E? 1. Okay. So no need to write down X1A. I am having 2A's, then M1, 2I, and 2N. Okay. So if I take dictionary order, okay, then first it will begin with A. So number of words that begin with A means first letter is A, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It can be any from the others, right? So if I just hide this A, there are how many letters? 10. So it will be 10 factorial upon. A is repeating twice, but I have already taken A. So now I am having only one A, so I will not take this 2 factorial. Okay, because I have taken A. So now from remaining 10, there is only one A. 2 I, so 2 factorial, 2N, so 2 factorial. Clear? So 10 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 into 2. So let me calculate it. It's 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, so I get 907200. Clear? So 907200 words beginning with A. Now, let's eliminate A. So now in alphabetical order, what is the next? E. So now the letter will start with E. But what do we want? We want the numbers before E, right? So this will be for E. But the question is before the first word starting with E. So before E, how many words? So 907200 words are there. Okay, before the first word, before the first word starting with E. Clear? Now suppose if the question is from M, then what should I do? I should calculate the number of words starting with E. After E, I, okay, and after that it will be N. So words with A, E, and I. That you have to find out. But here the question is E. So I found out the number of words starting with A. All that word will be before E. Okay, so note down question number 4. Okay, students. So that's it for today. Okay, today we have completed the first four sum of exercise 7. In our next video, we will start with question number 5 and continue this exercise number 7. Thank you.